In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to your Wells Fargo online banking. If you have also created or enrolled on the online banking service of Wells Fargo, then in this video, let me show you how you can easily log into it. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's jump right in. Now, either you can log into your online banking using the mobile app of Wells Fargo, but for this video, we're going to use the website. So search for wellsfargo.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website, which will look something like this. And the left hand side of the screen, you will see this login page. If you don't see this section, you can always click on the sign on button on the top right. Through this section, you can now type in your username and the password that you created while signing up. So in the first box, type in the username, and in the second box, type in the password. But if you don't remember either your username or your password, you can click on the link which says forgot username or password. And from here, you'd be able to recover both your username and password by filling in these information. If you do remember them, type them in. And if you want this device to remember your username, the next time you log in, you can check this box. So avoid doing this process if you're not using your own device. And when you're done typing in both your username and your password, you can now tap on sign in or sign on, and you'll be successfully logged in to your Wells Fargo online banking. So that's how easily you can log in to your online banking of Wells Fargo. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.